This is Finn. He's from the Holly litter, just learning how to retrieve. Well, maybe learning how to carry the ball is probably a better accurate. But he also really likes this bird wing. You can see he's really playful. Actually started out fairly mellow, and then he just kind of warmed up. He's got a nice honey shade. I'll give you a chance to look at his face. He's got a couple of white markings on his toes, which is acceptable in the lab world.
Finn is a beautiful yellow male with a nice medium to blocky head and big dark eyes. He has a deliberate way of approaching the world, but his reserved side is balanced with a playful side as well. He has a strong bird drive, and
he has an alert and expressive face.